In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Windows 11 on unsupported PCs using Rufus in 2026, step by step. So if your PC doesn't meet Microsoft's requirements like TPM 2.0, Secure Boot, or a supported CPU, don't worry at all. This method still works perfectly. By the end of this video, you'll know how to download Windows 11, create a bootable USB using Rufus, bypass all those hardware checks, fix common partition errors, and also set a new password after your first restart. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Download Windows 11 ISO. First things first, open up your browser and head over to the official Microsoft Windows 11 download page. Once you're on the page, scroll down to where it says Download Windows 11 Disk Image or ISO. From here, select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO, click Confirm, choose your language, click Confirm, and then go ahead and download the ISO file. This is the main Windows file we'll be using, so make sure that download completes. Step 2. Download Portable Rufus. Next, we need Rufus. Go to Rufus download page, URL can be found in the description, scroll down to the download section and click on the portable version of Rufus, the one that ends with a P. The portable version is nice because you don't need to install anything. You just run it and you're good to go. Step 3. Start Rufus and insert USB flash drive. Now plug in your USB flash drive. Make sure it's at least 8 GB. Quick warning here, everything on this USB is going to be erased, so back up anything important first. In Rufus, make sure your USB drive is selected under Device. Click Select under Boot Selection, choose your Windows 11 ISO file. Rufus will automatically detect Windows 11. Then set Partition Scheme to MBR and rename the volume label to something like Windows 11 25H2. Step 4. Bypass Windows 11 requirements. Now, this is the really important part. When Rufus pops up with the Windows User Experience options, make sure you check these boxes. Remove requirement for 4 GB plus RAM, Secure Boot, and TPM 2.0. Remove requirement for online Microsoft account. Create local account with the same name, optional. You can also check any other options you want to disable depending on your preference. Once that's done, click OK, then click Start. Now just wait while Rufus creates your bootable Windows 11 USB. This can take a few minutes. Step 5. Boot from USB and start installation. Once Rufus is finished, restart your PC. As your PC is starting up, press your boot menu key. This is usually F12, F9, Escape, or Delete depending on your computer. Since I'm on a Dell, I'll be pressing the F12 key. From the boot menu, select your USB drive. Windows Setup will load. From here, select Language and click Next. Select Keyboard Settings and click Next. Next, select Install Windows 11, then Agree and click Next. Enter your product key or click I don't have a product key. Choose your Windows edition. Accept the license terms. Select the location to install Windows 11. This must be the hard drive, and you can tell by its size. Now, if you see an error that says Windows cannot be installed to this partition, don't panic. I'll show you exactly how to fix that in the next step. If you don't see that error, you can skip ahead to step 7. Step 6. Fix partition error using Shift plus F10. This is a super common issue, especially on older or reused drives. If you get that partition error, here's what to do. First, restart the Windows installation. When you're back on the language selection screen, press Shift plus F10. This will open up Command Prompt. Now, carefully type these commands, pressing Enter after each one. Disk part, list disk, select disk 0, clean. Just a heads up, this will completely wipe disk 0, so make sure you don't have anything important on that drive. Once that's done, close Command Prompt and continue with the installation. Windows should now accept the drive and install normally. Step 7. Windows 11 installation process. At this point, Windows will take over. You'll see it copying files, installing features, and restarting several times. Just let it do its thing. Don't remove the USB until it's done. And there you go. You've just successfully installed Windows 11 on an unsupported PC using Rufus in 2026. Step 8. Setting a new password after first restart. After the first restart, Windows will walk you through the initial setup. When you're asked to create a password, enter your new password, confirm your password, and that's pretty much it. If this video helped you out, go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe for more Windows tips, PC fixes, and tech tutorials. If you have any questions or something didn't work for you, drop it in the comments and I'll do my best to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.